Hello, today I'm going to show you how to set up subscriptions on your Shopify store and show you how you can be able to sell your products on a subscription basis using an app called Courses and Memberships by Inflowkit. So this app enables you to create digital content and sell it as subscriptions. But I'm just going to show you how to set up the subscriptions on your Shopify store. First of all, you need to have the app installed, and to get the app, just go to the Shopify App Store and search for Courses and Memberships. Add it on your Shopify store. Make sure you open it and get the preliminary setup completed. And then go to the subscriptions on the far left. When you click on that, because I already have subscription set up, it will show my subscribers. But for you, if it's the first time, you'll get the screen. I'll just click on subscription settings, and this is what you'll get. It will require you to set up and activate your subscriptions. Make sure you select the theme that you're currently using, the active theme. For me, let's say it's Dawn, for example. Actually, it's not Dawn, it's Refresh. Select the theme you're currently using on your store, and after that, you can scroll down and you'll see a GIF showing you what you need to do. So I'll just open the product block settings page. I click open this, take me to a new tab where I'll have to set up the Inflowkit plan selection block. This is the small snippet that appears on your Shopify product on your store. Let me show it to you. This one. This snippet here that shows the subscription plans is a Inflowkit plan selection block, and that's what we need to set up. So once I clicked on that, it took me to this page. I'm going to go to products and select the default product because I want to see how it appears. Because I have mine already installed, you can see it's here. But on the product information section on the left, I'll click add block, and then I will select the Inflowkit plan selection block. I'll click on it and it will appear here. As you can see, I've already added a few. Let me just hide it. And when I hide it, this is what you expect to see. Yeah, no plan selection block. I just added a new one right here. After adding it, I need to grab it and move it up to the place I want it to appear. That's right above the buy buttons. So when I do that, it's going to move. This is subscription setup for themes that support theme 2.0 on Shopify. So you can see this is how it appears. And because I already have a sample subscription setup, that's why it's appearing here. Otherwise, this would still show up, but without this, like maybe on your case, without this deliver every month. This is a sample subscription I already set up. So after you make those changes, click save, and if your theme is not already published, make sure you publish it. Mine is already set up, so I'm not going to do that. And after that, I need to go back to the app page and click install now. This will install the cart snippet, a snippet that shows a selling plan name in the cart. So I'll click install now. And that doesn't have a lot of setting up. It just does it automatically. Great, it's done. It's automatically installed. And the last step is I'll have to click activate. I'll have to activate the Inflowkit app on my theme. So I'll click activate, which will open a new browser, and I'll have to activate the app on my theme. If I don't do that, the Inflowkit app's plan selection snippet won't work, and no one can be able to purchase on subscription basis. So here it is. This is already activated. If it was off, I'd have to turn it on, then click save. So that's already done. Make sure you do that as well. Once you're done with those 3 steps, then you should expect to see a screen here telling you that this is where your subscribers will appear. So that's how you set it up for theme 2.0. Now I've switched to a screen that shows how a legacy theme installation page would look like, so I can demonstrate how to install on a legacy theme. So once you click theme settings, as I showed you before, this is a screen you expect to see if your theme is a legacy theme. You'll see 2 steps: install selling plan cut snippet, select your theme, and then install the snippet, which is optional, but we recommend that you do it, and then you activate it on the app. Those are the 2 things you'll do on a legacy theme. So let's do it. Select your theme, make sure you do. Click install. This will automatically install the snippet on your legacy theme. And after that, make sure that you just remove this, activate it, which will open another browser new window where you'll have to activate Inflowkit on your theme as well. In this, there's no need to drag anything up and down because it does not support blocks. These are legacy themes. Just get rid of that. Oh, it's automatically activated, and great. As you can see here, it's automatically activated, so I have nothing to do here. So I'll just close this and voila, it's done.